Hello and welcome. Previous video is all about scenario number 3 and we completely understood that how we can set up high availability cluster using Docker Swap. We also understood that to provide high availability, we must have at least 3 manager nodes. Now, in this video, I am going to provide you something extra. It is all about scenario number 4. So let's start. Before I am going to start scenario number 4, I want to verify that how many worker nodes and manager nodes I have. So here I am going to give command docker node ls, and here I am getting this message that manager 2 is down unreachable. Why? Because for previous video we stopped this Docker service over there. So what I am doing, going to the manager node 2, here I stopped these 2 services. So I'm going to use this command sudo systemctl start docker socket and docker as well. So now I have all my 3 worker nodes are working. The manager nodes are working. And look at this, all these are working. Manager 1 is leader node and these 2 are actually manager node but not leader. So everything is good. Now let's go to the scenario number 4. Here we have this current setup. We have total 5 nodes. Out of these 5 nodes, we have 3 managers and 2 worker nodes. Exactly, everything is working smoothly. Now our objective. We want one of the manager node to act solely as a manager and do not run any container task. See, if you run any container, if you create any service over here, what will happen? If you are going to say that, hey, I want to set up 5 replicas, it will set up one task in each and every host you have. So what I am doing, I am going to copy this command and I am going to run this command here. Okay, let's clear the screen and let's run task. See, it will create 5 tasks and it will run this task, one task in one Docker host, right? It doesn't matter, it can be manager or it can be worker. If I'm going to give command docker service ps and service name, which is my nginx new, here you will find out that we have one task running in manager 1, another is running in manager 2, manager 3, worker node 1, worker node 2. So when you will create any service, and if you are creating replicas, it will create tasks in each and every Docker host you have. It can be manager, it can be a manager with leader, everything, right? Now what we want one of our manager node to act solely as a manager and not run any container task. Okay, so we want that, hey, right now we have manager 1 is leader. Look at this, docker node ls, manager 1 is leader, and we want that, hey, manager 1, do not run any task. Please concentrate on a container orchestration. You are going to manage only Swarm cluster. You do not need to run any task. Okay. This ensures that this manager node is dedicated to handling the orchestration and management tasks without being overloaded with running container workload. This can help you to improve the performance, reliability of the cluster management operations. We will apply tent to choose manager node to prevent from running on any container. Now here, let's say that we have manager 1, okay? Because manager 1 is our leader, so we can choose any, okay? By example, here we are going to choose manager 1. Tenting a node ensures that no tasks are scheduled on this node unless explicitly specified. If you are going to specify that I want to run this task into this particular manager node, then you can. Otherwise, if you are going to give normal command, it is not going to run this task over there. So, here I am going to explain you the detailed step. Log into manager node, you can log into any manager node. And here you just need to give command docker node update availability drain manager 3 or whatever the manager you have. So here I am going to this command. Here we have manager 1. So I'm just going to change this, and now it's done. So let's go to the same command. I'm going to give command docker service ps my nginx new. Okay. Right now, if you look at this, manager 1 having this particular container, which is now shut down. Why it is shut down?
Sorry guys, sorry to disturb you. I know you all are enjoying the session and suddenly it stopped. But if you want full video or if you want full Docker course having 130 plus videos including projects, you can become our community member. Enrollment link is in description. Moreover, we also provide 24/7 support, weekly lifetime live session with Bhavesh Atara, updates and completion certification as well. Still you have any queries regarding it, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.